Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a project share for you. This is a spring-loaded envelope that I am mailing out for a swap. I made it with the baby girl kit from Paper Studio that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. It was on clearance, but it just had some really pretty spring papers in it and some stickers and ephemera pieces. So I really loved it for this spring-loaded envelope. So let me dive into it. So I made two wands here. This is the first one. And I die cutted some scalloped flowers here and layered them up with this yellow and white straw. And then I made a rosette with some of the paper, and then I put some of the ephemera pieces, a little piece of the tulle, yellow tulle, and then some rhinestones, and then I tied a bow with this pink ribbon and did a little swirly of sheer yellow ribbon here, and then put a rhinestone in the middle. So that's the first one. And then on this other one, I did a couple different scalloped circles here. This is like a doily that I printed or cut out of my Cricut, and as well as the scalloped circle here. And the back looks like that with the another scalloped flower. And then I made some paper roses, and I cut out this little bird out of the paper and added some leaves behind the roses there, along with some ribbon here. And then I tied some tulle and this spring trim here onto a straw, the pink and white polka dot. And then you can't see it, I don't think, oops, but I did spray some glimmer mist over the top of it. And then let's see, I made a couple different envelopes here. This one was made out of butterfly paper that came with the pack, and I made a rosette and a couple more of the roses. That's in there. And then this one is the card that I'm going to be writing to her. And I made it like that to open up. And this was a sticker that came with the pack. It had some writing on it, so I will be writing a little note on there. And then here is an embossed piece of yellow paper that I had received in a swap, but I thought it would go perfect with this, and she can use it to make another card. I have a few like store-bought items that I'm going to be sticking in here as well, so that's right now is what's in that pocket. And then on the front pocket here, I have this little pocket that I made with these squares that I used a die on. I embossed some paper here, and then I just layered up some dyed squares. I will put links for these down below where I purchased them. And then I die cut some butterflies here that I layered up, and then added some of the ephemera and stickers there with some rhinestones. And then on the inside, I made a couple little tags with some of the stickers. And the back is just a piece of the patterned paper. And then the other little envelope here, I have this altered clothespin holding it at the top, and then I have it tied up. It opens up, and I did a bunch of little die cuts and added some of the leftover ephemera pieces from the pack. So that's what's in that one. And then I made a couple little folded origami paper butterflies. And on this front pocket here, I have some ribbon and trims, and then a couple more of the paper roses that I made. And then on the back here, I have this beautiful lace that I had received in a swap. I believe this was from Brigitte, that's on YouTube here. I made a little shaker tag. The first time using my fuse tool, so I was happy with the way that turned out. I just put in some of the butterfly paper, and then I fused around it and added some sequins and little beads and these floral flower sequins in there. And then I die cutted some more butterflies and layered them and put some rhinestones and made a little tiny bow up there and added some pink ribbon. There's another paperclip butterfly there, and then this little envelope has some little mason jar embellishments that I made. So that's what's in there. And then the last thing is I attached this little wood flower, and I had picked these up last year at Walmart. And they're just some wood tags, and it had some jute twine in it. So I took that out and just added some pink embroidery thread there so it would match. So there's all of that. I hope you like this project, and come back for more spring projects to come, and I will see you again later. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, leave me a comment and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.